So now if you see in the top, there is a transform option also available, guys. Apart from these changes, okay, we have again one more option is called transformation here, guys. Okay, clear? So here you can perform the different types of transformation. On that time, in this home tab, okay, basically you are working on the data cleaning process, like changing the sources, okay, removing the column, changing the data type. Okay, this type of operation you can perform here. But if you go to the transform button, okay, you can see how can you that means you read the data from the source and now it's time to transform your data into that. Okay, so let's see one by one. The first option is group by, my friend. Okay, in the group by, when you click on the group by, okay, he asking what types of group by you want to perform. Okay, so in the group by you have two options here. One is called basic and the second one is called advanced. Okay, so here first of all you need to choose that group by column. Okay, which column you want to use as a group by and which column you want to use for perform the operation, guys. Normally in the SQL Server, whenever we perform the group by operation, okay, so we can perform like this manner, my friend. Select, for example, customer name, count, order ID, from order, group by customer name. Okay. So if we run this query, okay, we will get customer wise total number of record. True, my friend? So here the group by column is customer name. The same thing you need to choose here. What is the group by column? Okay. Then the new column, this column. Okay. This column you provide the name. Okay. And here you have option. You need to perform the sum, average, median, mean, max, a count of row, guys. Okay. And then you can just click OK button, guys. And now what happened? He performed the group by operation and show the count of number of row here. Clear, everyone? So basically group by is the same like a SQL Server group by, where we can choose the group by column name and then we can also choose that what is the operation we want to perform on that group by. It's a count, max, mean, median like this. Okay, please everyone try. Okay, done, my friend. Can we
Yeah.
move?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's suppose if you apply the group by and you want to change it. Okay, let's suppose you apply the group by and you think that, okay, I need to change this one. Okay, so you need to click in this step because this step performing the group by, to double click and the Power BI open this edit mode again, the group by. So you can do it again, the group by, guys. Okay, clear?
Mhm.
Now, if you click on the advanced tab, okay, he asking you can add multiple column as a group by and multiple aggregation, guys, here. Like, sometime we perform the group by on this basis, but sometime we perform the group by like this. Multiple column, true, my friend? And multiple aggregate. Is it true or not, guys? True? So here I'm performing the group by on the basis of two column and I'm performing one is count and one is sum of sales. So in the advanced tab, you get the option add grouping, choose add a new column and add aggregate. That means you want to add a new column for the aggregation. Clear, everyone? Any question, any query, please? Okay. And now if you want to undo the changes, yes, just click on this cross and all the changes will remove, guys. Everyone done?
Yes.
Okay. Now the next option is use first to as a header. We already discussed about that. Okay. Now this is the next option that is called transpose. Okay. What is transpose, guys? In the
I
SQL
think,
Server, you did it, no?
right. I think arranging the values of rows into columns, something like that.
Yes. So here the same thing. If you want to convert the row into the column, then you have an option called transpose. So just click on the transpose and he converted. Okay, my friend. So remember previously, yes, and this is a two row, one row, guys. True? Yes or no? So now he converted this value into one. Okay. And if you want to undo, yes, you can undo it. So transpose option is available, guys, here that help you to convert the row into column. Okay. Reverse row. Okay. This is just opposite of the transformation, transpose, guys. Okay. In the SQL Server, we don't have any reverse row option, but here the Power BI have the reverse row option. This is just a reverse of the transpose, guys. Okay, so let's make a transpose first and then reverse. Okay. Okay. Now, this one I think everyone understand. This is called count row. Okay, guys. Count row is basically when you click on that, okay, it just show you one simple figure that is showing the total number of rows, guys. Clear, everyone? Okay. Now let's move the next. The next option is data type, guys. So here, whenever you want to choose the data type, first of all, you need to select the column and then you can see all the available data type for this column here, guys. 90% time Power BI automatically detect the column data type, guys. Okay. Sometime he not able to do that. On that time, we can perform the operation. Otherwise, 95% time Power BI do the correct data type exercise. Okay. Clear, everyone? So look at this. If you look at this, right now I'm choosing the order ID column, so it's showing me the text. When I choose the order date, look at this. Automatically it's converted. If you're thinking this is not a date column, so you go here and change it, guys. Clear, my friend? Now, one more option available in the Power BI that is called detect data type. Okay. Sometime what happened? Okay, you are thinking that okay, the data type that I choose, okay, that is not a correct data type. So you have option here, detect data type, guys. So Power BI, if you click on that, okay, then Power BI automatically, according to the data, Power BI choose that, okay, what is the data type suitable for this column? Okay. And then now the next option is rename. If you click on the rename column, okay, you have an option to rename this column, the selected column, guys. Okay. And when you choose the more than one column, then rename option is disabled for you guys. Okay. And when you choose two different column, okay, then data type option is also confused. He not understand because he work only one single column. Okay. Clear, my friend? Now the next one is replace value. So now in the replace value, we have two options. Replace value. Let's suppose I'm choosing this column and I go with the replace, okay, and replace value section. So I'm saying please find CA, okay, dash replace by OR dash. Okay. So I'm selecting the column called order ID and I choose the option called replace value. And I'm saying please replace, find the CA dash and replace with a OR dash. I just click OK. And now what happened, guys? You can see. Please try, my friend. Now let's suppose in the future you want to say that, okay, I want to change my replace value again. So you have two options. Either you can go and again apply the replace value or just click here in the right side and you can find out that what is the replace value option you applied. We have a multiple option, guys, like text, parameter or anything. Okay, and if you click on the advanced tab, okay, you have option like this, two option, my friend. A special character can be replaced by or this one. Clear? Okay. Field. Now replace value, one more option available, guys, that is called error. So if you have any error in your data, then you have option to replace that error replaced by what? Here you cannot get that, okay, what is the, you need to search and the replace value, you can get only the replace value option, guys, here. Because this is only specifically work from the error. Find the error and then replace that error with your given value. Clear? Any question? Any query?
Clear, sir.
So here replace value have two options. One is called replace value and the second one is replace error. So replace value means, okay, you can provide the what value you want to search and then what is the replace value. In the replace error means, okay, you can provide only the value whenever the Power BI get any error on that particular column. So that value can be replaced by that column, that value. Okay. Okay. The field option is basically give that, okay, this is some kind of advanced analytic type of function, guys. The field option always give you that, okay, if you have a null value, okay, or blank value, or an empty cell, okay. So what he did, okay, he can replace that null empty value with a next current non-empty column value, guys. Okay. So basically field is working on the cell by cell. Okay. Like this is a one cell, this is a second cell, this is a third cell. So if in this column one cell is null empty, okay, that means that can be replaced by the not null value. Okay. So basically field allow us, you can fill a null or empty value with a non-empty value. Okay. Pivot, you know that, guys? What is pivot? Anyone? What is pivot? In the SQL Server, we perform. You guys perform that, no? Pivot. No.
No, we didn't.
It converts
Okay.
raw data into column data.
Yes, it converts raw data into columns. So let me do it first of all. Okay. So let's suppose I have a sales column and category column. For example, category column I choose and I choose sales column also. So in the Power BI, you can choose two column, guys, with the help of control key. So press control key and then you can select two column, my friend. So please select first of all category and cells. Okay. Then I choose pivot. Okay. So what he did, okay, first of all, he's going to create a new column in the result set. That column value coming from your category. The unique column from the category, he read and make a column. And in the value section, he choose the sales column. Okay, clear, my friend? We have multiple options here. So I'm choosing the sales column. By default, selected the sales column because we select the sales column. And now just click OK. Okay, guys. So what happened? He convert the output like this. Let me show you. For example, in your category column, we have multiple category. So in the output, you will get the output like this. Let me show you if we generate it. Look at this. Technology. Okay. One category column, technology. Okay, because in the category we have a order, we have a furniture, we have a office supply, and we have technology. So he convert this value into technology, convert the value into the column, and then show the value, guys. Okay. So this is a option, my friend. But normally we are not doing the pivot because pivot taking so much performance flow, guys. Okay. That's why we are not choosing the option for this one. Okay. So please everyone do it the pivot. So basically, let me show you guys pivot in the SQL server if I have. Just 1 minute, no? Then you understand pivot in SQL. So just see here, my friend. We have a table that contains category, sales here, and amount. Okay. In this table, we have a laptop and tablet and different cells here. So when you confirm the pivot, okay, what happened? First of all, you need to choose that which column you choose as a pivot. So here he choose sales year as a pivot column. Okay. So what happened here? That right now the sales year column value 2023, 2024. These are the two unique value they have. It convert into the column, guys. Clear? Why? Because he choose sales year as a pivot column. Clear? So in the sales year, okay, the value 2023 and 24 convert into the column. Look at this here. The second column that he choose that is called category. So category you choose is the normal column. So category you can see the normal. Okay. And then he perform sum of amount column, whatever the amount column value they have. Okay. They perform the sum operation. Okay. And the group by on the basis of laptop and desktop. So what happened here? He found two laptop. Okay. Okay. So he summed the amount, my friend. You can see here. So in the tablet, we did not have any entry in 2024, but because he make a column, so that's why you can see the null here. Clear, everyone? So in the pivot, first of all, we choose which column value I want to convert into the rows. Okay. Which table column value we convert into the new column. So here we are choosing cells here is a column. That value we want to make a column in the output. Clear? Any question, any query? Please ask. Okay. The same thing happened in a Power BI. Yes, we have a pivot and we have a reverse option called unpivot. The unpivot means if you have a pivoted data, then you can convert into the unpivoted data. Okay. Then we have an option called move option, guys, here. So move option allow us, okay, we can move the Power BI column into a specific position. So let's suppose if I'm saying right now, right now in the output, okay, my first column is order ID. Okay. So I'm saying that, okay, I want to move this column into the third position. Okay. So I can go here, move, and we have option here, left, right, to the beginning or to the end. So I want to make this column in the third position. Okay. So I can move left side. Sorry, right side. Right. One, look at this. He switched the position, then right. Look at this. So now my column, first column move into the last third column, guys. Okay, please everyone try this. We have option here, split column, my friend. Split column allow us, okay, you can split the data. Remember, we already did the exercise, okay? So we have multiple option here by delimiter. That means you can choose the, okay, let me show you. So let me choose the by delimiter, okay? So I selected the order ID column. So I want to split the order ID column on the basis of dash, guys. By default, you have multiple option here like the colon, comma, equal sign, semicolon, space, tab, and the custom. In the custom, you can choose your custom symbol for splitting your column. Okay. So now here we have a three option. One is split at the left mode delimiter. In the left side, first delimiter you found and then split it. Let me go with this one first of all. Okay, my friend, and just click OK. So now what happened? Power BI split this two column into two part. Okay. The first part contain leftmost, okay guys, delimiter before value, and then second column contain leftmost delimiter value after the delimiter, guys. Okay. Let me do the next option. I'm undo the changes. Okay, again select the order ID column, split column. Again, I choose the by delimiter. And now this time I'm choosing the rightmost. That means the last special character column he found and split it. So just click OK. So now what happened, guys, here? He found the right side last delimiter and then left side value in the first column and right side value of the delimiter in the second column. This time he did not choose this one because this is a leftmost delimiter. Clear, everyone? Okay. Now let's move the next option. Okay. Split column by delimiter. And then we have option here called each occurrence. Each occurrence say that, okay, whenever we found the delimiter, we can split into new column. So you will get, if you apply this option, you will get three new column, guys, because you have a two delimiter. True? So let's click OK. Now, one value, two value, three value. Clear? Anyone, any question, any query, please ask. Okay. Apart from that, we have an option here, number of character. How many number of character you want to split? So here you provide that, okay. How many number of character? Let's suppose I'm saying please split on the basis of 4 column. Again, we have option here, guys. Left side, right side, or repeatedly. Okay. I choose the repeated option and now you can see 4 column set he make. Okay. 4 column set he make. Please everyone try this. Okay. Now you have a position. Here you can provide the position, guys. Like I want to see the first position. Like here I'm saying I want to see the 0th position, second position, and 7th position. Okay, so let's split it. So now 0th position, 2nd position, and 7th position, guys. Data will be split, and you can see. So split column have lots of options, guys. Here, lowercase to uppercase to lowercase. Okay, digit to non-digit. Okay, guys, and by non-digit to digit. All option available, guys. Here. Now let's go with the format option. In the format option, Power BI give the option that you can convert the value and uppercase, lowercase, capitalize each word. Okay, this type of option is available, guys. Here. Okay. Capitalize each word means you understand? Let me show you. This is a customer name column. I say that, okay, please convert all the customer name column into the lowercase. So now what happened, guys, here? All customer name converted to lowercase. Now I'm saying that, okay, uppercase. He uppercase it. Now I'm saying that, okay, please capitalize each word. So now you can see first word of the first character of each word is capital, guys. That option is called capitalize each word. We have a trim, we have a clean, we have a add prefix. Let's suppose if I'm saying add prefix. So what prefix I want to add? Mr. Dot. And I just click OK. You can see. Okay, clear? Now we have a one more option available here that is called merge column. Okay. In the merge column, as a name suggests, okay, it can be merged two column value, guys, into one. So for that, first of all, let's choose the two column. Okay, I choose customer ID and customer name. And then I get the option called merge column, my friend. Okay. First of all, he asking what is the separator you want to use for merging the value. Okay. You need a colon, you need a comma, you need a equal sign, you need a semicolon, you need what? What? So I'm choosing colon. Okay. And now then you can choose the next column value. So you next column name. So I'm writing that here. Okay. Customer ID with name. Please everyone do it. And then I just click OK button. So now I can get the new column. Okay. I get the new column that contain customer ID colon, that contains customer name column value colon customer ID. Okay. Please everyone do it.
So Raman sir,
Yes.
so here, if we want to reorder, like if we want to, go with customer ID first and then name, is
Yes.
it possible?
Yes, it is possible. Let me show you what happened here because when I selecting the column on that time I choose the customer name first. Okay.
Okay, okay,
So first of all, let's delete this merge operation because we want to perform again. So first choose the customer ID and then choose the customer name and
okay.
then go with the merge column and okay. Now you can see. Previously, I choose the customer name first and then ID second. That's why I get the value like this.
Okay. Also on the formatting, right?
Mm-hmm.
So say when we were adding a prefix, Mr. to the customer name,
Mm-hmm.
say customer name, there can be male and female both, right? So just adding a prefix as Mr. doesn't look right. So is there
Yes.
any way like we can add Mr. or Mrs.
Yes,
according to
we have
their
option
gender?
here. That is called conditional column you want to add, no?
We have that
Here,
option.
yes, we have option there. I will show
Okay.
you.
Okay.
Okay, guys, now let's move the next option. Okay. The next option is say that, okay, we have an option called extract here, guys. So the extract option, we have option, guys, we can extract the value or some property of the selected column. So let's suppose if I'm selecting merge column, okay, I want to know that, okay, what is the length? So yes, we can go here, click on the length, Power BI, retrieve the length value for that column and add it here. Okay. Same manner, we have an option here, guys, to first character, last character, range, text before delimiter, text after delimiter, everything is here, guys. So we can do it. Okay. We can extract the length, we can extract the first character of your selected column, we can extract the last character of the selected column, we can extract the range. Range means, let me explain. Range means you can provide that, okay, what is the start position? Let's suppose I'm saying I want to read the value from the second position and 5 value. Okay. So he start reading the value from the second position, okay, from this column, and it can show the 5 character. So I just click OK. So look at this. Start reading from the second position and read 5 character. Clear? So extract basically we are using for reading the value, multiple value, guys. Okay, and the same manner we have a parse. So we convert this value into XML or JSON, whatever that you want to convert, you can convert it, my friend. Okay, can I move the next? So these are the column, guys. Apart from this, okay, these are the statistic columns. So if you choose any numeric column, let me show you. For example, I choose the quantity, then this option is enabled for me. Okay. So we have a statistical operation. We can perform like sum, max, mean, median, average, this type of operation. If you want to perform some standard like add, multiply by, subtract, divide, this type of operation, guys. And you can perform the scientific option like power, absolute value, square, cube. Okay, this type of operation. So this operation is only enabled when you're choosing the correct data type. For example, if I'm choosing any non-numeric value, so look at it. This option is disabled for me. Because in this selected column, we have no option to perform this operation, guys. That's why this option is disabled for me. Clear, everyone? Okay.
Okay.
So because this is a value, so then you have option here to show the date, year, month, every option, guys, here. So for example, let's suppose I'm choosing order date. So I'm saying in the order date, I want to read only year part. So we have option here, guys. Year, month, and one more interesting thing. Here you get the year, but you also have the start of the year and you have the option called end of the year. Month, start of the month, end of the month. So let me explain what is this. Okay. So let's suppose if you're choosing start of the month. Okay. So this is a June month, guys. 9th June. Okay. When you choose the start of the month, then this value can be replaced by 1st June. Because that is a start date of that selected column month value. True? Understand, my friend? Same thing here, start of the month, end of the month, day in a month, how many day in the month, and you can also get the name of the month. Same manner here, the quarter, okay? So if the quarter of the year, he will display this is what is the June month quarter, okay? So June month is the second quarter. True, guys? It always work on the US calendar, not UK calendar that we follow, guys. Okay. Same with the start of quarter. If you say that, okay, this is a June month, this is the third value of the quarter, guys. But when you choose this start of the quarter, it automatically show the 1st April 2014. Because this is a start of that quarter, my friend. Clear, everyone? So these are the date operation we can perform. Okay, same manner week, same manner day, same manner earliest, the first value, and same manner last value. In the same manner, time we also have an option, guys, here. Okay, and if you choose any non-character value, then you get the option, guys, here. Clear, everyone? Any question, any query? So these are the transformation option that given by the Power BI. And now, if you want to add a new column into the Power BI, that column is not present into our report, but now we want this column into the Power BI. For example, my friend, here we have a sales, we have a quantity. True, guys? Now I want to know that each product unit price. How can we know that? Let me show you example. If I sell 12 banana, okay guys, at 100 rupees, $100. Okay. So what is the price of one banana?
100 divided by 12.
Yes. That means this is a unit price of banana. True, guys? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So same thing if you want to enable here, you are saying that, okay, I want to create a new column that contain unit price of my column, my value or my product. So yes, we have option here. We can create the column, guys, here. Okay, my friend. So you can say that, okay, I want to create a column that is a custom column. So you just click on the custom column. Now he asking, what is the name of that column? So you just simply say that it's a unit price. Okay. Then you can write your formula here. Okay. So our formula is sales divided by quantity. So I double click sales divided by quantity. Okay. And in the bottom, he automatically checking that, okay, is there any syntax error there or not? Okay. Please, everyone, try this. Okay, done.
Yeah, it's done. Thank
Could
you.
you once show how to do the added column thing again? My laptop, I don't know, is not really showing it properly, was not showing it properly.
Click here, the add column section. Okay. And then because we have a formula and we want to make a custom column, so just click on the custom column. Okay. And then custom column you can configure. So write the column name and then in the condition section, let's suppose my column name is unit price. Okay. Now my formula is sales divided by quantity. Okay. So I can write in the formula section after the equal. Okay. I select the sales column and press insert. And then divide symbol and then second column and insert. Okay, done everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the custom column we will discuss later because there are lots of custom column operation guys here that is called conditional column, index column. So that you're talking about that on the basis of gender, we can add Mr. and Mrs. That is called conditional column here. Okay, Prashant ji,
Yeah, sure.
I will show you. Okay. So
Mhm.
now I share one link with you. Okay, guys, let me do that. Let me explain this link. In this link, if you open this link, guys, okay, my friend, you can find, okay, the exercise of Power BI. Okay, this is for the practice purpose. you can go here and find the different exercise, my friend, here. Okay. And this exercise is only for the Power BI. Okay. Here you can find the SSIS also, SQL also. But let's focus on the Power BI. Okay. Clear? Please everyone open this link that I share with you guys. Okay. Here you can see that, okay, the topic, okay. And then you can also find out that, okay, what is the label of this one? This is a easy, this is a average difficult, this is a easy. Okay. So you automatically mention that, okay, what is the, look at this is a harder that. Okay. So let me open one. Show this exercise. Okay. When you click on the show this exercise, okay, he said that create a basic report, okay, of the Abba song. So you can see the data and everything you can get here, guys. Okay. You can just click this file. You can unzip this file and you can see the data and everything, guys, here. Here he just show you that how can you read the data and all, guys. Okay. So if you want to do this exercise, first of all, download this exercise. Look at this. He already mentioned that. Before you can do this exercise, you need to download and unzip this file. This is a link, my friend. Let me know, my friend, once it's done. Then we can move the one more exercise.
I'm done, sir.
Perfect. So in this exercise, the best part about this exercise, guys, you can find the data and everything here. Let's wait for other. Done, everyone? Anyone who is stuck?
Done, sir.
Okay, perfect. Two people done.
So while we're waiting for everyone, I have a question about the applied steps. What if you accidentally delete one of the applied steps and you want to undo that? Is there a way you can just Control Z, or do we have to do it again for the
No,
accident?
there's no control G option. You need to do it again.
Okay, got it.
Okay, those who completed, okay, this exercise, let's go with a little tough, guys. Average difficulty. Okay. So let's see the exercise. Again, first of all, download the data. This is a link, my friend. And now here you can show the data like this. And this chart. Please everyone try to show this chart. So here they compare the height of the skyscraper by the country and city and they create a KPI. So you can show one by one, guys. Okay, my friend. So I think this is good for today. Okay, please everyone do total 4 exercise and send me the output in the screenshot. Okay, in the Telegram. Okay, everyone. Thank you, guys. Have a good day. Bye.